Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert a straight line into a dotted line in your PDF documents online, and also vice versa, from dotted to straight in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your document, your PDF document, and you're in the given PDF editor, document editor, and after that navigate to the drawing tool and to the line tool here, excuse me, and click into that arrow down icon and select your type of line, for example, an arrow or a line here, straight line, and draw it on your canvas here, like that. Now let's assume, for example, you have already edited and now you would like to convert that line into a dotted line without removing this one. All you need to do is click into that menu here at the top and choose one of these options. For example, with these dots here, and you will see the line changing its appearance, and that's it. And you can reverse that and convert it back into a straight line, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.